Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Priyanka and you are watching Technology Warriors YouTube channel. So today in this video you will learn what is GHDB, Google Hacking Database, what is Dorks and what is Google Dorks, and you will also learn how search engine works, and there's one more bonus. You will also get to know how you can be the publisher of how you can publish your own Dorks on Google Hacking Database. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's video. First of all, you should know what is Dorks. So in simple words, I would say it's advanced search filters which you can use in your whenever you are searching anything. You can use these Dorks to get the exact and accurate results. So if I give you some of the example, it would be like in text, in URL, file type, in like there are index of, and there are various other examples. So now let's take an example. If let's say I'm searching Coding Ninjas, so it will give me multiple results, and whenever you are searching anything on Google, it will give you multiple results. But how and from where Google get all this information from? So let's see how Google collect the data and show it to us. First, it will go to the first web page of every website and then other website linked to that particular page. And while doing this, it collect all the data and the same process continues for the entire website. And this is also known as crawling, as I have shown it over here. You can see first it will go to the very first website and then all the web pages linked to that particular page. So now what search engine do is it will store all the information in a special database called search index, and it will retrieve all the information from the search index. So now what we are doing is we are just retrieving the information directly, and hence it will make our work easy, and it will also show us the accurate and exact results. Now here I am also getting all these, let's say, see YouTube and all. I'm getting wherever the Coding Ninjas is there, whether it is social media, YouTube or any other place, I'm getting all the you can say searches. So now what I want is I want only the website of Coding Ninjas. So what I will do is I will just type one of the dork site colon and then codingninjas.com, and it okay. Now this is showing me about 9,360 results, and this is only the website I'm getting. So yeah, this is how the Google Dorks can be helpful to get the exact and accurate results. Now let's see some of the Google operators. Here are some of the Google plus, minus, distil sign, dot, and or, which you can use to create multiple, or you can say complex kind of advanced searches. So yeah, these are some of the examples. Let's take this entitled webcam xp5. In this dork you will get all the webcam which is open to the internet, and you can just go and have a look. What's that? See, I'm getting some maybe wherever the place, right, maybe moving. No, I'm not able to, but yeah, this is a camera which is open to internet and which you can have a look at. So yeah, this is also one of the webcam which I got. So let's take another example entitled index of. So this, what it will do is it will show me all the index of that page which is there available in the FTP server. See, this is the parent directory, I guess. Yeah. So this is how the Google Docs work, and all about the dorking. And if you want to become your own author of your Google Docs, so let's have a look at what is GHDB. So this is Google Hacking Database. Now you can see there are multiple docs available, and there are also various categories. As you can see, vulnerable file, vulnerable server, files containing username, file containing juicy information, and all these. So you can have a look at every categories. I would also like to know, I have also published my own dork, which you can just search in the filter, author name Priyanka. So I have published all these dorks on Google Hacking Database. Now let me tell you how you can be the author of your own dork. Let's take, I have got this dork, and this is giving me some kind of special information which you cannot get as a normal user. So what I will do is, I will make a mail to the dorks@sec. I guess something like that. Here is one of my article which you can have a look at. I have given the in detail information about dorks and all. So you need to mail them over here, dorks@sec.com. And what will be the format? So you need to make sure, like, whatever the dork you have got, you need to mention the same as a subject, and you need to mention the mail, like whatever it is, dorks@sec.com. And here you need to mention the description of what this dork all about. And yeah, there's one more thing. You won't get any information, or you can say mail, that your dork is published. So you need to manually check whether your dork is published or not. So yeah, that's how you can publish your own dork on Google Hacking Database. And that's all about this video. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Do not forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you are new. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you. See you all in the next video.